Hi folks, and welcome to the Microscope Guessing Game. Things look totally different when viewed under a microscope. I'll show you an image of an everyday object at 60 times magnification, and it's your job to work out what it is. You'll then see the object at 10 times magnification, which, if you haven't guessed it yet, should make your job much easier. This first image is a fingernail. Here's number 2. This is a tricky one. If we zoom out, hopefully you'll see that it's lined paper. The third is even trickier. Don't worry, it gets easier after this. Reading the words on this object should tell you that it's a banknote. In fact, it's one that's not used anymore, a £1 note. If you said money, then you guessed correctly. How about this one? I'm sure you'll guess it when you see this. That's right, it's a staple. And now it's time for number 5. Lots of people guess this one wrongly. They think it's maybe an object you would place on your wall at home, when in fact it's something you'd place on your wrist. It is, of course, a watch. For the next 3 images, just think food and drink. This is number 6. Tricky, isn't it? But does this make it any easier? If you've not got it yet, you're looking at a picture of a tea bag. On to the next one. This is something you can eat. At 10 times magnification, it should be far easier to see that it's rice grains. This is the last of our food and drink pictures, although it doesn't look very appetizing here, or even here when we zoom out. The object in question is a cornflake. And now for something a little easier. I'm sure when I show you this picture that it's no surprise that it's a match. And this is our 10th and final object. Maybe you'd want to use this after you'd eaten that cornflake. That's right, it is of course a toothbrush. So, how many did you guess correctly? If you enjoyed playing the Microscope Guessing Game, then why not try Game 2? You'll see a link to it in just a second. And in future videos, look out for some more serious uses of microscopes in STEM learning. Now, if like me, you have an interest in all things STEM, then why not subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified when new videos are released. See you next time.